Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Have you experienced or know someone na na-misspelled ang ilang name, wrong ang entry sa ilang birth certificate, marriage certificate, or other civil records? Today, let's talk about unsa na Philippine laws ang allow na to correct these errors. Tara, let's talk about this. There are two legal bases. One is administrative procedure and the other one is through judicial procedure. If ang correction is typo ragani or clerical, we can use Republic Act 10172, but if it is already a substantial correction, we will be using the Rule 108 through judicial procedure. Typographical or clerical error includes misspelled names, wrong dates, or just a typo error to the documents. Ang limitation na niya, you cannot change your status, age, nationality, or sex, except kung for example, klaro kayo na female kaya nakabutang sa imuhang birth is male or the other way around. Use Republic Act 10172 through administrative procedure. Matura ka sa local civil registrar, file ra ka without going to court or file a petition to the court. So when it is already a substantial corrections like legitimacy, status, gender, nationality, it's no longer covered sa administrative procedure. We will be using now the judicial procedure through filing a petition to the RTC na naay jurisdiction through Rule 108. So this time, we will look for a lawyer to file the petition kay this is already a judicial proceedings. Why it matters? Because these civil registry errors can really affect our identity, our legitimacy, our nationality, and even our rights. And this error also could cause problems later on, labi na sa atong school, sa atong work, our inheritance, and even travel abroad. Kaya kung lagi sa'yo, di gina siya i-approve sa embassy. So always remember, if it is just simple clerical or typo error, admin procedure, go to the local civil registrar, ipa-change ang imuhang correction. While if it is a substantial error, dili na pwede. We will be using judicial procedure already through Rule 108 at tunatag court and file our petition. So this has been Attorney Ken Arwebe Mersado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.